We stay pretty chilly all day today, but as I mentioned at the top of the newscast, our high was in the 70s, but that was set at 3:40 this morning. Temperatures started dropping after that. We did bottom out into the low 50s before we started to see a bit of a rebound. So we were chilly as we kind of got the morning started. Again, the high for the day was even before this. In the afternoon, we've been in the 50s, and we'll stay in the 40s to 50s overnight tonight. So yes, quite a bit of a cool down. However, not bitterly cold, and we're not talking about freezing temperatures coming anytime soon. We're in the 40s in Macomb, but generally 50s or low 60s. So it has been a cooler day and breezy. Now the winds have been settling and will continue to do so through the rest of the evening and overnight, and much lighter winds on the way for tomorrow, but then the winds pick up again by Sunday. Still mostly cloudy skies, sometimes kind of hard to see those lower clouds on infrared, so we'll switch over to visible satellite, and there have been maybe a few little breaks in those clouds. We're going to stay under mostly cloudy skies through the night tonight, and it appears as though we will likely stay under mostly cloudy skies for the day tomorrow. We'll say partly sunny with maybe a few breaks here and there, but it does look like the clouds are going to stick around. Now, if that is the case, we may not get into the low 60s. I have our high set tomorrow at 63 degrees. If we stay under cloudy skies, we may be struggling to get there. Few showers up to our north. All of our rainfall today was early this morning, and a couple little light misty drizzles as we got the day started, but for the most part it was a dry day. Notice though we still have this southwesterly flow aloft. That really has prevented the coldest of the air from making it down to the deep south. Not too far to our north, you have sub-freezing temperatures, but because the upper pattern not really favoring that surge of cold air moving south, we really have benefited from just a chillier day. Now we are going to get kind of a second surge. That's coming in on Sunday. This upper trough is going to push down kind of a second front and keep us onto the chilly side for the rest of the Mardi Gras week. Now going into beyond Wednesday, Thursday of next week, an upper ridge is going to start building in over us, and that will allow temperatures to start getting into the low 70s toward the end of next week. So tonight, 50s, breezy early, but winds have been settling. Tomorrow, temperatures in the low 60s. Then Sunday, we are still talking about that slight chance of a few passing showers, but doesn't look like it's going to be a wet day. Dry on Mardi Gras, and then Mardi Gras morning. Notice we're going to start off the day in the 40s and then warm into the mid 60s. So here's the forecast looking forward. Again, mostly cloudy skies as we head into much of the day on Saturday. Here come those rain chances setting up on Sunday. Most of the rainfall with this system look like they are going to be dissipating, and most of it should be during the morning midday hours, and then by the afternoon and evening we are drying out. So most of the parade Sunday will be fine. The few that start in the morning might have kind of the tail end of some of those showers before we get into the afternoon and evening when we'll be drying out, and then more sunshine on the way for Mardi Gras. So again, that 30% chance mainly for the first half of the day on Sunday. Chilly, though, behind that second front will be in the 30s and 40s to begin both Monday and Tuesday morning, and then gradually warming into the 70s, but the humidity staying low through next week. All
right, well, at least Mardi Gras Day looks absolutely perfect.
Perfect.
So, yes, thank you, Chris.
You're welcome.
Well,